Site C is facing yet another legal challenge. The Sierra Club has filed a petition for judicial review in BC Supreme Court after BC Hydro relocated amphibians from their habitat near the Site C Dam in May. BC Hydro didn't have the necessary permits to do so, but were granted an exemption by the Ministry of Forests, Lands and Natural Resource Operations. The Sierra Club says that leaked emails show the ministry knew granting that exemption was wrong.
We're saying that the ministry knew that they didn't have a legal basis to circumvent the permit application process.
The ministry released a statement today saying in part that the regional manager felt comfortable allowing BC Hydro to remove the amphibians without a permit because the alternative would have been to let them die, which wouldn't have been in the public interest. According to BC Hydro, they applied for this permit back in September. Because they hadn't got a response by May, they asked the ministry for permission to undertake emergency relocation of the amphibians, which was authorized.
The authorization was valid for a limited period of time to support BC Hydro's efforts to protect amphibians, and the permit for amphibian salvage is now in place.
Grattel says that the intention of this lawsuit isn't to stop the Site C Dam. Grattel says what they're seeking is a judicial declaration that the administrative action taken has no basis in law and constitutes an abuse of process.
The intention of it is to arrest and constrain the bureaucratic culture of lawlessness that seems to be attending this project.
Grattel said he was stunned when he saw the emails.
It's shocking when civil servants conduct themselves knowing that their conduct is unlawful. But perhaps it's doubly shocking to see them write it down.
A court date has not yet been set. Peter Houston, CJDC-TV News, Fort St. John.